Their praiseworthy achievements, having resisted all the hardships, psychological traumas, horrific situations, etc., that protracted for about 7 months. Congratulations, you all. Your stamina, courage, persistence is highly appreciated. Congratulations. Your endeavors have become fruitful and successful. I would like to say congratulations again. I am also obliged to express my compliments to all stakeholders who have been on our side during the merge in a difficult situation that needs urgent help. Congratulations, stakeholders. I am here Michael Polytechnic College. I thank you very much. You have been on our side in the difficult situations that we have had so far. ከዚህ በመቀጠል ፕሮግራማችንን እናስተዋውቃለን።